Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'd like to show you guys this website called Swagbucks. And this website allows you to get free gift cards such as Steam, Amazon gift cards, PayPal gift cards, um, pretty much any gift card that you can name. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So you're gonna need any web browsers such as Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and if you have a Mac, Safari. Um, But yeah, I'm going to use Chrome in this case. And you're going to want to use this link. I'll have it in the description, and I'll also have an annotation right here. So the link is going to be www.swagbucks.com /refer /dark Predator Predator then 30. Then you're gonna press enter, and that is gonna give you 500 points, which is 500 points, which is gonna give you $5 right off the bat. So once you click that, it's gonna bring you. I already have an account, so it brought me to that. But once you do that, it's gonna bring you to this page, and it's gonna tell you to sign up. And once you sign up, you'll have your points and stuff. But you can log in through Facebook, or sign up through Facebook, or sign up through within the website. In this case, I use Facebook. So let's talk about how to get points. So you answer surveys. It tells you how long the survey is and how many swag bucks you get for that particular survey. So yeah, it's pretty much common sense. You can see 10 minutes is 50, 15 minutes 30, 350. So pretty much just do that. Do the high paying swag book surveys. Obviously, gives you more points, more money. Another way, most popular ways, which I don't really mess with. I just mainly do the surveys and stuff. And then one of the most convenient ways actually is when you're out and about shopping, you actually get cash or points back, swag books back for every dollar you spend, which is pretty cool. So this is like shopping online stuff. Yeah, these are online, and then you can also play games and actually get swag bucks to get gift cards, which is very cool. That's one of my most popular ways. And then watching videos. I'll have my computer running all day, just watching videos, and I'll get swag bucks. But yeah, you can also do like stuff like offers, which I don't really mess with this one, but doing this one. When you get a subscription of Hulu for a month, you get 2,000 swag bucks, which is a lot of money, or a lot of swag bucks, but I don't think it's worth it in the long run. I don't use Hulu. Another way is yeah, pretty much just answering and doing surveys, searching. When you search online, I believe you get like 2 swag bucks using the swag bucks search engine. So every time you search up something, you get 2 swag bucks. And then obviously playing games like I showed you earlier. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's talk about the rewards, shall we? So redeem when you get enough swag bucks, which I made a lot of money and I've gotten a lot of stuff from this. But the rewards you can get is Amazon, you can get PayPal, like I said at the beginning of the video, Walmart. I'll just scroll through them very quickly. But yeah, I like the PayPal one the best. Allows me to transfer my PayPal cash to my bank, therefore I can get the cold hard cash from my ATM. And yeah, but yeah, guys, this website's very it's legit. It is completely legit. I really love it. It's probably one of my favorites. But yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate if you dropped a like, maybe even subscribed, and comment on what you think, or if you have any questions. But yeah, guys, have a good rest of your day. Peace out.